What's up, students? Today we're going to be talking about end behaviors and symmetry, all that stuff. Okay, I'm on Delta Math because I don't like MS Paint no more. It's like, I'm gonna give you an analogy. It's like
Music
a used
licensing
toy,
reimagined.
right? You use that toy for I don't know how long, like 6 or 7 years, and then you throw it out. That's basically how I feel. Okay, let's see. The graph of y equals f of x is graphed below.
Artlist.io.
What is the end behavior of f of x? Now you might be saying, what? What is an end behavior? Now, an end behavior is what we say is like the end of the graph, where it goes.
Music licensing
This
reimagined.
end of this graph, it keeps on going off the graph, which means that it's going towards infinity because it keeps on going as a line should. Okay, and so whenever we see this, we put it in this notation. As x approaches, y approaches
Artlist.io.
But in this case, we're gonna just be talking about x approaching infinity and negative infinity and whatever infinities. Okay. Now let's see what is the end behavior of f of x. So we can see that
Music
when
licensing
x
reimagined.
moves to the left, this side of the graph, x, we say going left as in x approaches infinity, negative infinity. My bad. Because this x right here, x inputs, y inputs right here. X keeps on going up. Keeps on going up.
Artlist.io.
Across this line. This way, right here. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah. And so let's find x approaching negative infinity. That's what we're gonna do first. Delta Math is a little bit like
Music licensing reimagined.
I don't like this. It's like tickling me a little funny. X approaching negative infinity, moving left, this part of the graph. As x approaches negative infinity, y goes down, which means it goes negative infinity. Which means it, like down and left are negative, and up and right are positive, as you can figure it out. So as negative x approaches as x approaches negative infinity, y also approaches negative infinity. Let's see. As x approaches negative infinity, y approaches infinity. That is not correct.
Music licensing
And so is this
reimagined.
So it's either these two options. As x approaches negative infinity, y is approaching negative infinity. Right, correct. Now let's focus on the right side of the graph. When we focus on the right side of the graph, x is approaching infinity. Because it's going right. Now when
Artlist.io.
x approaches infinity going right, let's see what y does. The end point where the arrow is going. It's going down. Once again, as x approaches infinity or negative infinity, y approaches negative infinity.
Music licensing reimagined.
Because even when x approaches infinity or negative infinity, you can see in the graph, for both inputs, y approaches negative infinity, going down. I'll show you how this looks like in real life, but Face reveal at 67 subs. See? Look,
Artlist
goes right
IO.
down, left and down. Easy, easy. Okay. Now let's see this one. You should know how to do this by now. As x approaches, yeah, let's start with x approaching negative
Music
infinity.
licensing
X,
reimagined.
which goes left. X approaching negative infinity, going left. We can see that the y keeps on going up as represented by the arrow. And therefore, as x approaches negative infinity, y approaches infinity, which is upwards for y. Let's see, where would that be? As x approaches negative infinity.
Artlist IO.
Okay, this one says y as f of x. It's basically saying that f of x is the output, which is the same as y, so it's not really y equals f of x. It's not really the
Music
changing
licensing reimagined.
Let's see. Negative x, this one and this one. These two. Yes. Down. Now, as x approaches infinity, let's see where the y goes. Goes down. Down. And therefore, we can see that as x approaches infinity, f of x approaches negative infinity.
Artlist IO.
Pretty simple. Oh wait, I had 41? No. Okay, let's see now. On to the next one. We see symmetry, right? Or do we not?
Music licensing reimagined.
Symmetry? I don't know. I don't even know, man. How about this? How about this? Wait. Can't open MS Paint like this. Hold on. Okay, never mind. I'm not doing no MS Paint. I said that already. I hate MS Paint. I hate it.
Oh.
Whatever. I'm gonna use Desmos now. Okay. Let's see. Determine whether the function f of x is f of x equals negative 7x to the power 5 minus 5
Music
x to
licensing
the power 7
reimagined.
plus x to the third is even, odd, or neither. What does this mean? What does this mean? Now let's see. What does this mean? I don't know. Let's graph this. Negative 7x power 5 minus 5x7
Artlist IO.
plus x3. What does this look like? Okay, now you might think this looks like an odd function. Let's see. Let's see if
Music
it is.
licensing reimagined.
There's a way to figure it out if it's an odd function or not. Well, let's define what an odd function is. Whenever the function is rotated 180 degrees about the origin, that is what it is. Oh my god. What am I saying?
Artlist IO.
Now let's see. If we flip it. Okay, how do I explain this? Okay, okay, first of all, let's check if it's even.
Music licensing
How do you
reimagined.
find if it's even? Well, we see if negative f of x is equal to f of negative x. While for odd, we find if f of x is equal to f of negative x.
Artlist
And
IO.
for neither, it would be that neither of these apply. Those are the three criteria. Okay. Now
Music
let's see
licensing
if
reimagined.
negative f of x is equal to f of negative x. First of all, we need to find negative f of x. Alright, how does this work? Now, negative f of x. Negative f of x. What is f of x? F of x is equal to negative 7x. Let's write this down, negative f. So,
Artlist IO.
f of x, holy crap, man. F of x is equal to negative 7, 5 minus 7 minus plus.
Music licensing reimagined.
What is happening? Right? This f of x is equal to this. Now let's see what happens with negative f of x. If f of x is equal to this, right? Let's represent it with parentheses.
Artlist IO.
He put the negative outside of negative f of x. Negative f of x. Now we do the same thing to the opposite side.
Music
Now,
licensing
negative
reimagined.
f of x. Let's write this in a more better fashion. Never mind, I'm not doing that. So negative f of x would be equal to this. Now let's distribute the negative sign. Negative, negative, which is positive.
Artlist IO.
Then this would turn positive, and this would turn negative. Right, that's the negative f of x. Now let's find f of negative x. So if we know that this is f of x,
Music licensing reimagined.
now we inputted x to get this for the f of x. Now we input the negative x. Let's see. Negative x 5. This is like the 7th time I wrote this. Let's see what negative x. We input x as negative x.
Artlist IO.
Right. Okay, negative x. Now we do PEMDAS. Negative x to the power 5. That would be
Music licensing reimagined.
negative x5. Now we times by 7 and my negative 7, I mean, and that would be 7x to the power 5 because negative. Now let's see, negative x to the power 7. Oh my god. That would be, say bless you. That would be negative x to the power 7. And times negative 5, that would be
Artlist IO.
5x. Nice. And now we do negative x to the power 3. That's just negative x to the power 3. We see this is f of negative x. Now let's see if this would be even. Is this equal to that?
Music licensing reimagined.
Yes, it would. It would be. And let's see if this would be even. No, it's not. Okay. It is odd. What did I do wrong?
Artlist.io.
F of x is equal to f of negative x. Wait!
Music licensing reimagined.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I did something wrong. What the heck, man? What?
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Oh my god. I'm gonna just use this. 7x. Wait, since freaking when, man?
Artlist.io.
Since freaking when was... Okay, what I showed you guys was correct. Wait. Yes, they... F... So this is odd.
Music licensing
And this is even.
reimagined.
What? F of X. Oh my god. What? Okay, let's move on to the next question. Oh my god. Oof. This is... Yo. I make the longest videos. Maybe. I'm gonna end it at 20 though. Okay.
Artlist
Last
IO.
question. Let me see if this one is even. This one... This looks even. Kind of. Alright. Let's see. Let's speedrun this. Okay. 9x plus x3.
Music
This-
licensing reimagined.
x3. This looks not like a graph. Okay, let's see. Negative f. I mean, it is a graph, but it's getting hard here. Negative x with x. Let's see. So negative 9x. This is basically just turning the entire thing negative for a negative f of x. Now
Artlist
see f
IO.
of negative x is equal to 9 negative x plus negative x 3. Okay, that'd be negative 9x. and
Music
negative
licensing
x.
reimagined.
Oh, would you look at that? 5 negative x f. Where am I getting 5? This is looks the same, which means this is odd. Oh my god! Even. Odd, even. This is odd. Odd. Since this
Artlist
is...
IO.
Oh my god, this is odd, man. Yo. Holy crap. Okay, let me see an even one. Freak off, man.
Music
X-
licensing
I'm running out of time.
reimagined.
X is 7 minus 8x to the power 5.
8x to the power 5 plus x. Plus x plus x. Oh. Okay, f of negative x. Let's see. No. I want to do negative x with x.
Artlist.io.
Fuck. Yeah, I said it. I said it, man. I said it. Okay, negative x to the power 7 plus 8x to the power 5 minus x.
Music licensing reimagined.
Negative x to the power 7. Minus negative 8 to the power negative x power 5 plus negative x, right? Right, this. Okay, let's simplify
Artlist.io.
this. Negative x 7, same thing. Next, negative x to 5. Now I multiply by 8, so these negatives would cancel out, leaving us with positive x plus 5, and plus minus x is equal to
Music licensing
x.
reimagined.
Negative x plus. These are equal, which means this is odd yet again. Oh my god, give me an even one!
Holy crap, man.
I'm over the 20-minute mark. I'm not getting any views now. Fucking Caden, man. Caden doesn't like fucking
Artlist.io.
small bites. Why give? What am I talking about? 4x to the power 4 minus 4x to the power 3 minus x squared. Wow, this looks like not a graph.
Music licensing
see.
reimagined.
Honestly, nothing. Okay, so negative 4x to the power 4 minus 4x. Wait, plus 4x is 3 plus x squared into negative x. Okay, negative
Artlist.io.
4 negative x. Oh, sorry, students. What the fuck was that?
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, let's simplify this. Negative x to the power 4. That's just x to the power 4. Now we not do that. Now we do 4x4, right? Negative x to the power 3 is negative x to the power 3. And multiplied by negative 4 is positive 4.
Artlist.io.
Yes, negative x to the power of yes, x squared. Which means negative x squared. Is it? Yeah. Negative x squared. Okay. Are these equal? No.
Music licensing
Is f of x
reimagined.
4x 4 minus 4x 3 minus x squared equal to f of negative x? No. Because plus 4x is this. Neither of these apply, which means this is neither. Yes! You can also see that this has like a deformation. It has Down syndrome. You clearly see that. Like, you don't even need to
Artlist.io.
judge. You can literally judge the book by its cover. X, 8x, 4. Okay, dude, you see what I'm doing though, right? Like, I don't have to teach this, right?
Music licensing reimagined.
5x. Let's do negative f of x, so negative 8x to 4 plus 2 and plus 5x. Uh-oh, don't do that.
Artlist.io.
Okay, so 8, I can just do this in my mind. Negative x, x 4, that does not change. Minus 2. Yeah, -3, because there's no x in -3. Yeah, it does not
Music
change.
licensing reimagined.
5x negative x, which is plus 5x. 8 minus 3 x. This is neither. It's neither. I mean, you can literally see the graph, man. What the fuck is this? No, give me even one.
Artlist.io.
Steven. Steven. Minus 5. Was it the die 5? This one's odd.
Music licensing reimagined.
Silk Song any percent. Yo, guys, wait. Have you heard of Silk Song though? I've like took a break from it. It's a long time ago. I want to get back to it though. What the
Artlist.io.
fuck is this? No. What? What is this, man? Oh crap! It is this. Wait, but what is this?
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah. Oh my god. Nice 6x squared. I swear this is gonna be 30 minutes. Wait. 27 minutes. Holy fuck. I need to edit this.
Artlist.io.
7. It's even. Wait, what? That's
Music licensing reimagined.
oh. Wait, guys. Let's do this. Let's see this. As you can tell, this one is even. Okay, negative f of x. Okay, let's see. 6 squared minus 4 x by 4 and minus 7x to the power 6.
Artlist.io.
F of negative x. 6x. Wait, no. Since negative x, this, yeah. Nice. Negative 6 instead. First one.
Artlist.io.
x4, yeah. Wait, no. Still x4. And negative x to the power 6 is x to the 6. So 7x 6. You can
Music
clearly
licensing
see
reimagined.
f of x, this one, and f of negative x are the same. Why does this work? I'll tell you why. Because negative x means flipping it to the other side. Let's say that on this graph, 0.92582 is the x value. It equals 0.
Artlist.io.
Right? And we flip that to negative 0. Whatever, and it also equals 0. So the f of x and the f of negative x are even. What? Really? Yes, really.
Music licensing reimagined.
For odds, it's just like negative, right? The negative version is okay. So let's see. This would be this. So this would be the same as the It kind of makes
Artlist
sense.
IO.
F of negative x, whatever. Let's say this one, so I can't.
Music licensing reimagined.
Let's see why the odd is like that. I kind of want to see odd. Odd. Can you get an odd one? Negative x6 plus x squared.
Artlist IO.
Don't tell me you're gonna give me even all the Okay, now yeah, this one is odd. This one's odd.
Music
Yeah?
licensing reimagined.
Either. This is not going to the origin. If it doesn't go through the origin for odd, then it's an even. Just x. 5 minus 7x.
Artlist IO.
Man, you don't know this, but I really need to kind of. Oh, okay. Let's see this. This is an odd graph. Odd. This is odd.
Artlist IO.
Yes, odd. Now let's see. Negative f of x and is equal to f of negative x. Let's graph these. What is negative f of x? So negative f of x is 7 x 7.
Music licensing reimagined.
6x 5. Wait, what? No. 6x divided 5 plus 7x. No, negative x is f of negative x.
Artlist IO.
Right, these equal the same thing.
Music licensing reimagined.
I want to see this. Okay, let's see. These are the same graph. Can we see? Okay, how does this work? Because this is the inverse of. Yeah, this is no.
Artlist
Let's see this.
IO.
F of negative x. This changes the x, so this would be like the flipped version of itself. Yeah, it's flipped. All right. This one, negative f of x, it's the same thing though, because it flips everything.
Music licensing reimagined.
Flips everything on its negative side. Right? It's the same thing as this. Yeah? Makes sense? And now I really gotta go bathroom. Bye bye!